Welcome to WHYVERSE. Earthquakes have reasons written deep inside the earth. Long before we feel it, pressure quietly builds in the dark. Plates lock at a fault, storing years of silent stress. Then release, small at first, like the world exhaling through the floor. A hanging lamp sways, proof the shaking is real, not imagined. Even tiny aftershocks remind us the story isn't finished. We translate the invisible into lines that make it measurable. Over time, the moving earth lifts mountains and reshapes coasts. Without plate movement, Earth would be flatter, quieter, and less alive. The crust recycles, old rock down, new rock rising to replace it. Heat finds paths upward, turning cracks into hot springs. Minerals surface slowly, quiet gifts from deep geology. Fertile soils begin with rock breaking down, grain by grain. Cities can't stop quakes, so we learn to build with them. Real preparation is quiet, small tools against a big force. Alerts arrive in seconds, time that can change outcomes. Each quake reveals what's fragile: walls, systems, and assumptions. Earthquakes exist to remind us solid ground is never completely still. You've been watching WHYVERSE.